Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise on your desktop without using any third-party softwares. Okay, so let's get started. To remove noise from your audio file without using any third-party software, first we need to do is go to podcast.adobe.com/enhancer. I'll put the link in the descriptions. So now what you need to do is click on this sign in button to sign up. Now sign in using your credentials. Okay, so after sign up, click on OK. Click on accept and continue. Now you can use this feature. Okay, so now click on choose files and select your audio file. So it is enhancing our audio file and removing the background noise. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so it is done. So now if you want to listen the enhanced audio, then click here and listen to it. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise on your desktop. So now if you want to listen to our main audio, then click on this button and turn off the enhanced speech, and now listen to your original audio. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise on desktop. Okay, so you can see there are lots of background noise in it, and now if you click here and enable the enhanced speech, and now if you listen to it. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce noise on your desktop. You can see this is much more clean and crisp audio without any background noise, and the texture is also good. So this is how you can enhance your audio without any background noises. And now if you want to download this audio, then click on this download and now click on save, and it will be saved to your download folder. Okay, so this is how you do it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.